How do you feel about that cone in your head?
Hey, Poppy. Hey, Poppy.
If you stop fighting, I'll give you a treat.
Well, you see, Gladys, the thing about my life is it's pretty sad, and I just don't know what to do.
I don't really know what to do with my hands. I don't really know what to do with my hands.
I love you! I love you! I love you! Oh my god!
Lexi. Lexi. Lexi!
Like a dog over a cup of water.
What the fuck? Get out of here! This is a bar! You don't belong here! You're a possum! Get out! Okay.
Look at this beautiful squirrel! Look at this baby squirrel!
Thank you very much for giving me these delicious walnuts. I like them very much. You are a nice person. I will be sure to come back tomorrow to get some more walnuts. You are my favorite person in the neighborhood. I like you, love you.
Can you not?
What did you say, huh? What'd you fucking say? What'd you fucking say?
Outside. Squirrel. Kitty. Treat.
Is he still in there? Yes, he is. It has been an hour, dude. Seriously, I cannot wait any longer. Are you serious? Where's the catnip?
Whoa, back up. Stop playing, I'm dead serious. I got a girlfriend, calm down.
Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
I can't leave.
Yo, this is my duck. His name is if you don't fucking cut that shit out.